Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find someone on Telegram without username and phone number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in general, it is not possible to find someone on Telegram without knowing their username or phone number. So once you're in your Telegram, you need to search the person you are trying to find out by typing in either their username or their phone number. Telegram's search functionality relies on these identifiers to locate users within the platform. So, if you don't have either piece of information, finding the person will be very difficult. So, you need to find different ways to either get their phone number or their username. So, if you're having their email address, you can simply try to find their username out of their email address and stuff, or you can try to find out their phone numbers by the help of other person. So, without these, you can basically not find anyone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.